little tag. Whoa! Okay. Comes with a number, which is helpful. And the brand name, and the fact that it is a color pencil. I've heard good things about this set. And it was really, really hard to get a hold of because it is constantly out of stock. Come on. Alright. Let's do a swatch on this puppy and color a picture. I like the variety, at least looking at it like this. I don't see any obvious duplicates. But really you won't know until you swatch it. Good set of browns. That's kinda, I like seeing that. As usual, a good set of greens. These are probably teals. Very few blues. Very few blues. A lot of purples. Okay. Let's swatch this out and see what it looks like. So I did a swatch, and I was kind of surprised, pleasantly surprised, at how well they went down. There was probably only like 3 scratchy pencils. Otherwise, they went down pretty softly, pretty well. I was a little disappointed in how close some of the colors were. Like these two. Wow, they are really, really close. Now I can see a difference, but it's tiny. And this first layer compared to the second layer of these two, very, very close. The other one I saw, these two, again, practically identical. There is a difference, but it's like you need a chemistry degree to be able to see the difference, right? I mean, it's really, really close. And there was one other. Maybe was it these two? I think so. So that is a lot of duplicate pencils. I would not put those two pencils on the same page. It's basically the same color. So happy with how they went down, not happy with how many duplicate pencil colors there are. But honestly, swatches are important, but you need to color with them to be able to see if they're any good. So I did. It wasn't an elaborate picture, but basically it was just to see how they performed. And I noticed right off, they do not blend at all, period. I mean, I don't think I've seen any other pencil not blend as well as these did. So if you want an oil base pencil with zero blending, these are a good choice. The lighter did not even show up on the darker color at all. So even for layering, it's still, you have to put the darker color on top of the lighter color. This is kind of normal, but since they blend so poorly, I would think they would give us an ability to overlay both ways. I've got other pencils that do this, and even when you blend the darker color over the lighter, it just looks muddy. It's not a pretty blend. Here I have, I don't know, some blue and a green. And the same thing, the green does not go over the blue. You have to do the blue over the green. If, however, all you're doing is like, you know, flicking to overlay, yeah, it's okay. You know, darker over lighter, absolutely. So, is this a good pencil? It lays down by itself actually pretty nicely. For me, I like doing, you know, this very split, chunky color kind of style. But I still do like a little bit of either layering or blending. And I didn't feel like I really got either one with these. Really. I mean, if push came to shove and I really applied myself to learning these pencils inside and out, I could probably get a layer out of it. Absolutely no chance of getting a blending style out of it. So, do I like the pencils? How would I rate them? For me, I balanced back and forth between they're okay to they're good. And I really couldn't decide if they were just okay or if they were a good pencil. And even now, I'm a little bit, I'm not sure. But I am going to go with good. Because for what they do, the fact that they are so soft and creamy for an oil pencil is a big plus. And that kind of balances out the fact that when they do layer, they don't look that great. I love the colors. The colors are bright and vibrant and really pretty. I love the individual colors. So that was a big plus. Would I use them again? I've got better pencils, more diverse, that will do more things for me. But I think these have their place. And if you are a really good artist, you're going to do a lot of really good stuff with these pencils. I am not that good of an artist. And I have, like I said, I have other pencils that do what I want to do. So, yes, they're a good pencil. If you want them, get them. But there's better stuff out there. So there we go. That is my evaluation of the Deli pencils. I hope they did you some good, or at least answered a couple of questions, or perhaps intrigued you enough to go try them. Up to you. And there we go. the 72 set of Deli pencils. Thanks for watching. Bye.